She was sending them to you.
Hello, here's Mr. Bryson. He's very crabby.
What are you
Here,
doing?
Mom, hold this.
What are you doing?
You're videotaping us. There he is. Oh, look at the crabby face. There's Bright Eyes.
Bright Eyes.
Oh, he's pooping. Are you pooping? You want to say hi to the camera? Hi. Hi.
Hi, Boo Boo. Oh, hi.
There. Oh. You got lots to say? What are you going to say? What are we doing today? Going to lactation consultant.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And we're going to Babies R Us. Yeah? You going on a trip? Let's see how big you are.
So big. Oh, big feet.
Oh.
Who's taking a pull? Cute baby, come here.
Back up, Mom.
Huh?
You can back
Yeah,
up.
I think I better.
Oh, no cries. No cries.
No cries.
Here.
Hello, Boo Boo. You want? Up and down and up and down.
No. We gotta show everybody at home.
Can we
that
send
you're
this
a
home?
happy baby. Are you a happy baby? Sometimes.
While Mom Michelle steps into another dress and makes a lawn.
Oh, no.
Not time to nurse. We're waiting.
Okay, you can stop.
Can I just? Oh, I could take a picture while this is going on too, or
You
no?
can just hit
Hit what?
the red button.
I don't-
Okay, he's happy now.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Crabby pants.